Hello people, it's Chris in Arena Studio with another quick tutorial for you. One of the things that seems to crop up quite a lot is efficiency when it comes to guitar playing. And efficiency is the key element that improves your progress as a musician, gets you where you need to be quicker. The more effective your practice or your technique, the quicker you get to the end result of being able to play what you want to play. So when I'm working with guys who want to improve speed or accuracy and dexterity when they're playing any lead guitar parts, I tend to focus on something like this. Imagine that this set of 6 strings is one string, okay? Now, if we look at this strumming pattern, so I'm just going to play a G major chord and I'm going to strum. Okay, now this applies to lead guitar, what we're talking about, not strumming patterns or acoustic guitars or anything like that. It's just purely with the electric shreddy kind of stuff, if you're into that, or accuracy, or making sure that you can play with a little bit more dexterity and speed in your playing. So we're just going to imagine that, like I say, that those 6 strings represent one string. So when you look at this movement, this equates to my picking technique with my pick when I'm working on single strings. So literally I've just amplified the whole image of it by doing this, okay? Hopefully this is making sense. So watch what happens when I go quicker. Okay, did you see what happened? The actual amount of movement to make the process of picking that one big fat string quicker shrunk. It goes from broad sweeps to narrow sweeps. Well, this is the kind of thing that happens when we're picking at speed. So this is why when you look at all over YouTube and all over the world and the interweb and all these kinds of places, there's loads of guys saying that, you know, practice slowly and effectively, but when you're practicing slow, you're kind of doing this kind of thing with your pick across your single string, okay? You're creating this excess movement. But if I said to you, pick your single strings slowly like that, it becomes more effective, it's more efficient, and there's less chance of making a mistake and less excess movement either side of the string. So what I tend to work on is trying to keep my pick in contact with the string all the time. And then you kind of snap to the next string, and so this is how you develop the speed into your technique. So utilising this analogy of this being one string, you can actually see how much movement we put in when we're strumming or picking the solo string. So again, when I go quick, watch how the movement starts to shrink and becomes more effective. I can't go fast if I've got all that extra movement going in there. The same principle applies to your scalar work and all your lead work and all that kind of stuff. Make sure that the pick movement is as minimum and as effective and as efficient as is possible. Okay, how's that? That was a nice, quick, easy one. Think about it logically. You know, if you've got a lot of excess movement in there, you've got to stop the pick, pull it back, pick the string, stop the pick, put the brakes on, go forward, pick the string. So the less excess movement, the better. You know, it becomes just so effective and efficient for you. And it might feel a little bit strange at first, but stick with it, go with it, and it will become second nature in your playing. Okay? Like I say, a really quick one there. Nice little hack that might help you out in a short space of time, that as well. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It makes my day. It makes me a very happy old man. And I love to hear your comments if you want to comment below. So like I say, give the video a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe. It's much appreciated. And as always, from me, Chris, stay safe, stay well, and keep on rocking in the free world.